Hello friends, welcome to channel SAP Lobby. Today we'll discuss on the topic reservation from alternative plant. So if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. That will encourage to create more and more video. So first of thing, let understand what is the reservation from alternative plant. Suppose there is two plant A and B, and production is happening in the plant A, but the components, bomb components, they want to consume from the plant B. So when they create that reservation for the component, that should go to the plant B, and from there it should consume. That's why if this is the business scenario, in this case what we should do and what is the SAP what settings we need to do in the SAP, let's discuss on that. So first thing, if in this case, so first we should have one special procurement key that should help to transfer the reservation from plant A to plant B. Okay, and then that special procurement key need to assign to the material bomb component which need to consume from the other plant. Okay, so now let's check first the special procurement key. Suppose if I go here and production and then material requirement planning, then master data. Okay, here special procurement key. So if I check for this plant, so if you look at this is one. So this is the special procurement key 72, that is to reservation from alternate plant 3200, means the 3000 plant will be the production plant, but reservation will be switched to moved to the plant 3200. Okay, so let me, I think it is stuck. So here and let's go to the again that SPRO. Okay, then production node, under production node material requirement planning, master data, then special procurement type. Okay, here 72. Okay, so if you look at alternative plant, withdraw from the alternative plant and issuing plant is 3200. Okay, now let's go to the one material. So this is the setting for that special procurement key. Okay, now suppose we are producing this material in 3000 plant, and for this plant we need this component, which component will be the procure from the plant 3200, I mean reservation consume from the 3200 plant. Okay, so in this case what we'll do, so here in we need to assign that special procurement key here in this MRP2. Okay, so here you need to assign this one. Okay, now I'll save it. Okay, that need to save that one. Then I'll go to planning of that main material. Okay, here So I think there is no shortage. Let me create some. I'll change this sales order quantity. Okay. Okay. So suppose it is 10 stock. Okay, shortage is there. Now I will run the MRP for this material. So if once I run the MRP, if you look at this plan order has generated. Okay, if I go and check the plan order, okay, see this material CG cream, and here requirement 20 quantity of requirement, and but here it's saying the plant is 3200 because it will consume from the 3200 plant. Okay, now if I go to the MD04 for that material, if I go to MD04 for this material for 3000 plant, I went for 3000 plant. If you look at there is no dependent requirement in the 3000 plant. Okay, for that against that plan order. If I go to the 3200 plant for this material, see now if you look at dependent requirement for 20, and if you double click, see this is plan order 86231. So if you look at 86231, so for this dependent requirement generated in the plant 3200 as per our special procurement key. Okay, now if I convert this plan order to production order, okay, okay, so if I so now 6230, okay, production order. Now if I refresh here, see it convert to the order reservation, and this is 6230 6230. Now if I do the confirmation for this one, okay, if I do the confirmation 10 quantity, okay, so if you look at CG cream plant 3200, suppose here I did not do the setting for the automatic batch determination, so I updating manually. You can do setup in need. Okay, so I updated the batch. Okay, now if I save it, which one is consumed? So I think 1 second, let me check in Kogi. Okay, and here okay, here some, let me check what is the error. Okay, there are this is not the any metal consumption issue, but some kind of finance error is there. Okay, So if I fix this finance error, then it will be consumed. Okay, so that's how this reservation from alternate plant work. So if you maintain the special procurement key in the component, it automatically it can consume from your the plant which are for which is your issuing plant. Okay, so hope you you understood this process. Okay, and thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can add a comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you for watching.